Alright, Smack fans, here it is. The new BB Smack Gen 5 Recirculating 6-Cell Electrolyzer. This is the deal right here. Okay, and I've been running it for a few hours and warming it up and prepping it for an efficiency test. The plates have already been cleansed. It's not fully conditioned, but it's been conditioning, and I'm ready to post a test on it. So I've been trying to get up the temperature, but here's one of the problems when you've got a real efficient cell. Okay, I can't get much above 94 Fahrenheit, which is like 30. I think that's like 34 degrees Celsius. Yep, 34 degrees Celsius. So I mean, that's as hot as I can get the cell. So remember, when you're doing efficiency tests, it's a function of temperature. The hotter the cell, the lower the quality of hydroxy gas. Therefore, that actually throws your numbers off. So a high efficiency cell, may look good. The numbers may look good, but if the temperature is high, it's not really a high efficiency. It's being inundated with steam or water vapor. Now, a cell like this at 94 degrees, it's 80 degrees outside. It's barely warm to the touch. It's been going for a couple hours. So when I run this test, keep that in mind, that this efficiency, the MMW number that we get is based on 94 degrees, which is like 20 or 30 degrees cooler than my previous design. And remember, the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 designs got all the way up to like 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is like half the temperature. For 21 or 22 some odd amps. So we have basically 49 square inches of active surface area, cross-sectional plate surface area. So that basically it's the same current density at 24 amps as would be the Gen 4 units that I had designed. So this is equivalent of a Gen 4, except it's running like 30 degrees cooler at 20 amps. And if you really push a Gen 4, you can actually get up to like 140 degrees if you're like pushing 25 amps through it for several hours. I can barely get this thing to 100 degrees. Okay, so we're at 21.8 amps. We're at 12.57 volts. Okay, standard 900 milliliter container that I measured out with a calibrated container. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and run another efficiency test here, starting now. $10 seconds. $20 seconds. And time. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. Time is, you can't see it again, too small, but it's 31 seconds. Okay, so we'll do our MMW calculation here, or 900 milliliters at 31 seconds. And we had 21.7 amps. And 12.5. It's actually dropped a little bit. 12.54 volts. Alright, we got 6.4 mmWs. Now, remember, that is at that 94 degrees Fahrenheit. 95, 94. Okay, so there you have it. Smack fans, the BB Smack Gen 5 recirculating electrolyzer, and you can see the electrolyte circulates down from the bottom of the cell up through through the bubbler. Okay, and the output gas comes through the top of the cell. Okay, so you've got a natural circulation through the cell like this. Okay, so it's self-cleaning, it's self-cooling basically. Okay, so, and I will do another video that explains the operation and construction of the cell. Like always, everything I do is going to be open source. Okay, so 6.4 mmW at 94 degrees Fahrenheit. BB Smack Gen 5. Happy testing. Smack out.